Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. Guys, the rear window defroster fuse, which fuse you need to check. What we need to do here, go ahead guys and open the hood on that Dodge Ram. Once we open the hood here on the driver's side, guys, you're going to notice that we have that cover in front of the car battery. It has two tabs. Press those tabs and that cover will open. On the inside you're going to find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here, guys, okay, what we need to do now. Okay, which fuses we need to check, specifically for the rear window defroster. It's one fuse only. Always, guys, keep some spare ones, because those are hard to find. You have different kinds of fuses, especially small towns. They don't have replacement sometimes and you can be stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. The fuse that we need to check is known as fuse number 36. If you come in that row here, we're talking about this fuse, guys, right here. That's for the rear window defroster. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.